channel, Jamarita, because Voice School. Kindly subscribe, click the notification bell, and get notified once I upload a new video. Today we are looking at chemistry Form 1 revision, a very important topic, that is air and combustion. And today we are looking the preparation and collection of oxygen gas. So I have my diagram. We have here liquid K, then we have solid M, then the oxygen gas is collected. Now, give two identities of solid M and liquid K. Two identities of solid M and liquid K. So the solid M, the solid M we have, first of all, we can have a pair of reagents. The first pair of reagents, we can have the sodium peroxide and water. So if the solid is sodium peroxide, then the liquid must be water. Another pair is where we have potassium manganate 7, then the liquid should be hydrogen peroxide. And note this one, a pair of reagent must be correct for one to score. A pair of reagent must be correct. So you cannot say that we have sodium peroxide as a solid, and then you indicate this one as hydrogen peroxide. That one is wrong because the pair of the reagents is not correct. So the pair of reagent must be correct. So we have sodium peroxide, and then the liquid is water. Then you have potassium manganate 4, and then we have the liquid is hydrogen peroxide. So a pair of reagent must be correct for one to score. Now, what the property of oxygen makes it possible for this collection as shown on the diagram. So this, as you can see on this diagram, the oxygen gas is collected over water. And what property makes this oxygen gas to be collected over water is because the gas is slightly soluble in water, simple as that. Explain why it is important not to collect any gas for the first few seconds of the experiment. So why is it not important to collect the gas in the first few seconds of the experiment? This is mainly because the first sample in this case is in B1. The first sample is in B1, and mainly the air in the flask before any gas is produced. So that is why the gas is not collected for the first few seconds of the experiment. Then we have stage 2 physical properties of oxygen gas. What are the physical properties of oxygen gas? One physical property is very common that you can see. The gas is collected over water, and the property makes it to be collected over water because it is slightly soluble in water. So one physical property, it is slightly soluble in water. The gas is colorless, it is odorless, it has a boiling point of negative 183. So those are some of the physical properties of this oxygen gas. Then we have these two commercial uses of oxygen. What are the commercial uses of this oxygen gas? So air enriched with oxygen is normally used in hospitals by patients with breathing difficulties. Then in the oxacetylene, that is when the oxygen gas mixed with the acetylene gas, so they will produce a flame called oxacetylene. And when oxygen is mixed with hydrogen, so we can have the ox-hydrogen flames. So we say that in the oxacetylene and ox-hydrogen flames for welding and cutting of metals. You can also say that the hydrogen oxygen gas can be used by the deep sea divers and also by the mountain climbers. So those are the two commercial uses of oxygen gas. Describe a test for oxygen gas. How do you describe that the gas produced is oxygen gas? So describing an experiment, you need a gas chamber, and of course you give a small procedure that is followed to identify that the gas produced is oxygen. In this case, you need a wooden splint, and then you need a gas chamber full of that gas expected to be oxygen. Then you give a small procedure to be followed to identify or to confirm that the gas produced is hydrogen. So it is oxygen. So what will you say here? That lower a glowing splint into a gas jar suspected to contain the oxygen gas. So you lower a growing splint into a gas jar suspected to contain the oxygen gas. So what is observation we made? The growing splint relies in the presence of oxygen, confirming that the gas produced is oxygen. Give a reason why it is not advisable to collect oxygen per acre upward or the downward delivery. Why is it not advisable that oxygen gas can be collected by the upward delivery or the downward displacement of air, or it can be collected by the downward delivery, sometimes called the upward displacement of air? Why is it that we are not collecting that gas by either the methods of upward or downward? Oxygen, that you can say that the density of oxygen is very close to that of air. The density of oxygen is very close to that of air. And what is the possible methods of collecting this the oxygen gas? If you cannot collect it by the upward delivery or the downward delivery, a dry oxygen gas can be collected by the use of a syringe. Oxygen is prepared in the laboratory through the catalytic decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide. So, as you can see, we have hydrogen peroxide in water. Then we have the hydrogen peroxide in the presence of potassium permanganate. So the decomposition of this one is normally takes place. The decomposition of this potassium hydrogen peroxide in the presence of potassium manganate for as a catalyst. Then there is a production of the oxygen gas. Then define the term catalyst. What do you understand by this term catalyst? We say that a catalyst is a substance which speeds up the rate of a chemical reaction, but remain unchanged at the end of the reaction. That's a very simple definition of a catalyst. Then, of course, name the catalyst used in this reaction. The catalyst normally used in this reaction is manganese 4 oxide. So in this case here, we have the hydrogen peroxide. It can decompose in the presence of the potassium manganate 7, potassium manganate 4. So potassium manganate 4 in this case is a catalyst. Then of course finally write the equation of the reaction that occurs. So we can have the hydrogen peroxide in the presence of manganese 4 oxide, and then we have the collection of oxygen gas. Kindly follow my channel, click the notification bell, you get notified once I upload a new video. Thank you.